Ready to give your PlayStation 5 a fresh look, or just put things back the way they were? First, make sure your PlayStation 5 is completely shut down and unplugged from the power outlet. Safety first. Locate the PlayStation logo on the top of the console, if it's standing vertically, or the bottom, if it's horizontal. This is key to determining the faceplate's orientation. Place your fingers on the top corner of the faceplate, slightly above the PlayStation logo, and gently push toward the back. You'll hear a click, and it'll start to release. Slide the faceplate towards you and off the console. Repeat this process also on the bottom faceplate. Feel free to clean the console if you wish. Now, let's get those faceplates back on. Align the faceplate with the console. Locate the clips at the top and bottom of the faceplate that will attach to the console. Slightly align the faceplate to the console to snap it in. Push the top edge of the faceplate down until it clicks into place, then do the same for the bottom. Ensure the faceplate is flush with the console and that there are no gaps, and that's it. You've successfully reattached your PS5 faceplates. Time to customize, protect, and enjoy that sleek aesthetic. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PS5 tips and mods. #PS5mods #console CUSTOMIZATION